Here we have your different types of anchors. Over here we got your plastic anchors, all different shapes and sizes. They're good for drywall, plaster, brick, masonry. And then you have a drywall anchor. This also comes in metal. It's pretty much just good for drywall. That's about all it's good for. Drywall anchor. These can hold more weight than these, but also just good for drywall. Zip toggle. This is a self-drilling toggle bolt. A little bit more user-friendly than your toggle bolts. These can hold more weight for sure. They also are nice because you have the option of doing different things with them, like an eyelet or a hook. So let's go ahead and install them and see how they work. First, we'll start with the plastic anchor. See how that goes. So I drilled a 1/4 inch hole. The way that I usually check to make sure that I'm using the right size, I'll get my drill index and kind of fit it in there. You want a good tight fit on your drill index. Let's go ahead and drill your hole out, put it in. Next up will be wallboard anchor. The way that I usually install these, I'll get my drill and I'll kind of figure out where I want it. Then I'll send the screw in to kind of pre-drill, back it out, come back with the plastic wallboard anchor, and then send that home. Just go till it's about flush. Come back with your screw. A lot of the times I use a screwdriver so I don't strip it out or do something funky, and send that home. Next up, we'll give the drywall anchor a shot. These say that you can pound them in with a hammer, and I'm not really a fan of that. I have the tools, so I usually drill about a 1/4 inch hole, depending on size. Come in and send that home, give it a little bit of push. It also has teeth on it, so it'll grab the wall. Come in with a drill, it works a little bit quicker, and tighten it up. And as you're tightening, it expands on the rear. Next up, we'll go with the zip wall anchor, or the zip toggle, sorry. We'll give this one a shot. It says it's pre-drillable, or it's self-drilling. Again, it's not as easy as it sounds. I'll pre-drill, just to make it easier for me. Set it in your drill, and finish it up. Take the screw that comes with it, and you kind of got to push, and it flips the back side of it, and then it grabs a hold, and as it does, it sucks it to the wall, and it gets tighter. With these, you want to put whatever it is that you're trying to mount in or on before you set the screw. But the nice part about these is you're able to take it off and put it back, put the screw back in and out without losing it, compared to a toggle bolt. Next up, we have a toggle bolt. This one here, they're different in the sense that these are nice finishes on the outside. This one can get a little crazy, I can say. You're gonna have to drill a bigger hole. For this size, which is 3/16, I'm gonna drill about a 1/2 inch hole. So come in, drill a hole. Make sure that the toggle part fits into the hole, which it's going to take a little bit of force. The trick with toggle bolts is once this is in the wall, it's there, and if you pull the screw back out, this is going to fall down and it's gone. So you want to put it on whatever you're trying to attach, fold it over, and send it through the hole you just made. And then as you do that, it'll click, and then you pull back a little and start threading your screw. So you're pulling on that toggle so it's up against the drywall. Start driving your screw. If you don't keep pressure on it, then it's not really going to tighten because it's not being held against the drywall. And go ahead and snug it up. And there you go.